Kachos is a drumming fusion workshop. It is where you create laughter and happiness, combining two different instruments. The gendang is a Balinese drums, and then the djembe is an African drum. So that two combined together. There also be a mas. The mas in Bali we call tapal. So tapal means mas, and the kids will be wearing it. So that'd be really cool. And then there's gonna be a bit of singing too. Can everybody say kecak, kecos?
Semangat.